example that's using CUDA drivers. Channel FFT. Yeah, this one. Yeah, they don't say it in here. It should be somewhere in the documentation. Yes, it is. That's what it looks like. Oh, there's not much to it. Yeah, it's a weird one. Yeah, I should be able to. I don't know. Some of these things they have like a weird documentation and no, so you can't reference to it really. Because I mean, it's not a multi-channel FFT. The real deal, the reason to use it is the fact it has, it's using the CUDA library stuff. So the GPU utilization. And well, actually, yes, when I'm using my FFT or whatever it is I'm doing, in theory, I should be able just to send it. So when I'm working on it myself, I want the screens to use my GPU. But when I'm not using my machine, the GPU can be utilized for running the website as well, so the API and stuff. Just in case we have more, what's it called, more users trying to access it. My ISP is calling me. I had a few more dropouts, NBN. Oh, very persistent. I don't know. It's just fix the internet connection. Like, don't call me. As on Biomedical. Yeah, funny enough, if I'm logged in on Google, it keeps giving me more and more um, microphones. Which one I got? Yeah, one of those. Yesterday was super quick delivery from Centacom. Just 2 days I got the item. But it's funny how Google ads like they'll keep just bombarding me with more Centacons, like with specific microphones. Yeah, I got one of those bundles. What's it, Audio Technica? So yeah, it's funny how it works. Like you already purchased it instead of suggesting something else. Yeah, it should. Oh, obviously, it doesn't know that I actually made the purchase, so it keep because it just searched. Use Google to search it. So then, if I'm using like another browser, then it's actually giving me all this generic ads. I know, yes, I know. I've been told many times not to click on them. So never click on the ads displayed on your website. Big no no. Google can cancel the hell out of you. And then I'm actually started using it in Firefox. Firefox has a very nice. That's the screen resolution that I was recording the short video in, because it has to be all vertical, not horizontal. But the good thing about it is that there's some sort of ad blocker running. So, that's obviously not it. Yeah, so it's working really well. I don't know, maybe it will have trouble filtering ads, like if they actually embed it in your content. But mine is just at the bottom, so I think it's quite good at getting rid of it. So I don't have to say it myself as well. Yeah, that's the synthetic ECG tool. I'm actually quite happy about it. That maximum must be a bit too large. I think it's 10,000. But it's not loading my machine, overloading my machine or anything. Right, so back to this. Normally what we do is check different tools. So we already did this one, cross coherence. Again, was happy about this one. In this case, also removed the play button. And yes, we had an update for this, which had the labels for the different graphs. But I haven't can do it straight away. And then we'll look at the next tool that we will add. Perhaps something around stroke. So if anyone knows any good stroke datasets, have to be open access datasets, please let me know. Right, so this is that entropy one. Yeah, it got a bit over engineered. There's way too much to it. Sorry. Sec. Alright, so we had an update for which one was it? ECG generator. Okay. This one, coherence. Coherence is the second one. This boom arm on my side somewhere instead of in front of me. Right, so we added those labels, but we haven't published it yet. And what else? Right, and then yes, oops. Why it has an asterisk as if it was modified? This one will set my GPU into havoc. I don't know if this sound could be a good test case for the microphone. It should has a chord shape, so it shouldn't be picking too much sound from the back. Let's check OBS. This processing is happening on the GPU that currently using like 50% GPU usage. Interestingly, if I close that window, yeah, no, it's still going. Should reduce slightly because I'm not displaying it on there, but the processing is happening on the GPU. So yeah, so it's not the actual image that Yeah, it's still like 50-60%. And normally with all the screens going, it's like it's still about 30 or so. That should be all the live streaming and everything. So it should be OBS. Yeah, OBS and Nvidia Broadcast. It's quite ahead. So that's the camera, background removal, the auto frame. Currently 36%. 51. Yeah, the auto frame doesn't do much. And noise removal. Yeah, noise removal does quite a bit. Oops, I have too many things open, too many windows. Close that. The problem is CUDA functions that some of the it creates a special execution environment. Context necessary for Labview to communicate with the GPU. That's fine. That's working okay. But then, yeah, so this will be an FFT operation.